Okay, guys, watching a video here. Watching Netflix. All right, I'm getting short on Netflix. I'm short Netflix. Gonna see if this bad boy wants to give us a move to the downside. And Nvidia is starting to push higher, so you can watch Nvidia too. A couple penny stocks just hit the scanner. UAVS and ASNS. So Netflix starting to head lower here. Wow, instant buyback there on Netflix. So currently holding short on Netflix, got 200 shares. Looking forward to break down 258. If we can break 258, we should see a nice panic, quick sell off, and I'll look to take off most of my shares. So Netflix is moving kind of odd right now. Might take the shares off. Not really liking the way how it's performing. Yeah, I'm all out. Yeah, it's going to squeeze up there. What already did, it just squeezed me out. So just took Netflix off. Just didn't get that sharp move down. Not enough volume on it the way we need for that move that I was looking for. So that's all right. One trade, one loser so far. The market is green right now. Let's see. MU's moving up a little bit today. Nvidia is starting to sell off. That's just not that move there not working. Keeping an eye on MNK so far. Nothing too crazy going on there. ANY is trying to squeeze. Not interested in trading ANY right now with the way it looks. I don't like all this overhead resistance, so I'll let it do what it wants to do, and then maybe it'll set up a little bit later for me. Netflix with a big squeeze. Yeah, see, Netflix is in a choppy trading range now, so probably won't focus on Netflix right now anymore. Kind of watching MU now after this big push up. See if it gets weak, see if it wants to roll over. So far it's squeezing. NVIDIA with sort of a red to green move here. Ooh, NVIDIA just popped. There it goes. Nice move. Yeah, I'm kind of behind the move. So NVIDIA is now getting up towards this resistance at about 153. So might watch NVIDIA here for a pullback around this 153 price, 153.50. Might be too strong. Yeah, see, it's kind of popping through right now. NVIDIA is kind of running strong. The market's up towards close to the pre-market highs right now from today. SAVE is running strong. Yeah, you can keep an eye on SAVE. So far, it's having a pretty good day. I haven't had any lag on TOS today once. So far, TOS has been pretty good on my end. Yeah, ANY is just kind of just trickling up right now. Again, I'm not really crazy about that. Netflix is starting to sell off here. Nice trade there. Would have been a nice trade on Netflix. Well, so far today's been pretty slow for me. One trade, one loser. ANY still hitting my scanners here, so I'm assuming it's probably pressing up higher and higher. Yeah, and again, I'm not a big fan of the way it's been moving. Yeah, ANY has a lot of this, just a lot of resistance that it's coming into. So if I were to trade that, it'd have to be after, it pulls back or has some type of consolidation and shows that it still at least wants to be bullish. NVIDIA is starting to trade pretty choppy. A lot of back and forth action so far right now. Amazon just had a really big sell-off. So that could be partially why we're seeing a pullback too in the market as well. All right. So I'm taking a short here on, I just got short on, what's it called? Netflix. All right. Just covered up majority of my shares there on the Netflix drop, and I'll take the rest off there. So back up to, a little bit positive on the day, just a quick short down there on that red candle with Netflix. Same time, the SPY was moving lower. Dow Jones also started dropping. So we had some market movement to the downside there. Facebook starting to look really weak. Could probably get in a short play on Facebook here today. MU's holding up okay right now. Actually, I don't know why it's holding up so well, but looks like, yeah, I was gonna say, looks like Micron might be setting up here, trying to go long. It's not all great of that of a pattern. Yeah, right now Micron's, holding above VWAP. It's holding above the 9 moving average. Save is still kind of moving up here. ANY is still squeezing. Again, I'm not trading ANY. Haven't liked any of the movement up here on it. Just moving straight into resistance, so I don't really trust it. All right, watching NVIDIA here, or not, sorry, not NVIDIA, Micron. So keeping on close watch here. Just kind of channeling back and forth, wedging a little bit. So far, MU is trading pretty impressively. I can't believe it's actually surprising that it's going up right now. Yeah, I mean, Micron, where it's at, I mean, even where it's at right now is arguably a little bit of resistance. Maybe see it up towards 37, arguably, but yeah, even Micron's a little iffy. I'll be watching Micron up at $37 for a short if it can get there. That's where I'd really like it. So I'll be following it. And Micron, see if it gets up to 37 for probably a short play. Yeah, NVIDIA is just trading in a pretty tight channel here. All right, I'm starting short on Micron. Just started with some starter size here. If it drops out, I'll take my money on the shares. If it goes higher, I'll add more into the short. All right, I just added some more in short on Micron at this 37 level. So far, it's breaking 37, so I'll give it a little bit of time here, see what happens. Just added more short. So just got in fully short here on Micron around that 37 price. Average is 36.92. I see 37 as a resistance. I think we'll pull back from here a little bit, at least enough where I can get a nice trade in. So Micron's starting to pull back here. I'd like to see it break 36.80s, and then I'll probably take the trade off. So far, it's holding this 36.80 level. Not enough sellers here to push it down below that 36.80 at least yet. So still holding it. We'll see if we can get it down below this 36.80 level on Micron. And here we go. So just took 1,500 shares off. Still have 500 shares riding on Micron right now on this short play. Still a little extended. I think we could see a little bit more downwards move, but I was going to say probably not unless we squeeze. But nah. So another small little trade in here. Nothing crazy. So I'll probably wait till the next candle here. We'll see. We got next candle will open up in about 40 seconds, unless it just dumps here. If Micron dumps, yeah, it's just starting to dump. There we go. All right, so all out of Micron there for that short play at 37. Was able to get about 20 something, maybe 30 cents out of it, close to. So all out on Micron there. That was a pretty nice, no stress win. 327 bucks. I like it. So I mean, that's really going to put us at about 300 bucks for the day. Yeah, 355 in the day. You know, not bad. Another sort of slow day. It's all good. Oh yeah, Pablo. When you said that, when I read your comment, I just noticed I was trading without time and sales and level two. Like, I mean, I didn't see it the whole time, but yeah, I was just paying attention to the depth of market there. I wasn't even using level two or anything. I was just looking at the depth of market. Well, anyways, all right, we'll end the recording video there for you guys on YouTube. So thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. You know, I hope these videos provide value to you one way or the other. So as always, thanks again for tuning in. You can always give us a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff before you head out the door. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.